How's it going, everybody? This is Gueros with Gueros Mobile Detailing, and today we have another exciting video. Today we're in the city of Beaumont today. At Dylan's Auto Detail Supply, they're gonna have an open garage where Shine Supply is gonna come down and demo all their products, their pads, talk about their, their entire line. So today we're gonna be here at the event. We're also gonna do some details after later in the day, and then yeah, just stay tuned. So this is my boy Fatty from Fatty's Detailing.
How's it
Get
going?
his man. All right, leave me hanging.
What's up? My bad, dude.
Get him right there.
Yeah.
That's the homie. It's the homie. And just like that, we did a quick wash. I didn't follow any of the details rules, but just to get it clean. But I did clean back here yesterday night. So just, somewhat presentable. All right, guys, so we're here at the event, so now we're gonna come on by and meet everybody. How's it going, bro? Bro, Shine, I already met you.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah.
Hey, nice to meet you. Diamond Head Detailing.
What was it?
Hey, Diamond Head Detailing.
Diamond Head Detail? Oh, yeah, dude.
Fatty's Detailing.
Fatty's Detailing, bro?
Nice to meet you.
I know you, dude. Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, it's a lot of people out here.
Bro, your glasses are way too official. I feel
You're too official, bro?
I feel like I need to pay you for something.
You do. You owe me.
I know.
What's up, bro?
There's a man right here. There's a man right here.
How's it going, guys?
The executives. So, Frank. All right, guys, so if you guys remember my very first video, I talked about the decked out, and I said why it was blue. If you know, you know. Well, the joke was I wasn't using decked out in the bottle. I had a blue tire shine. I don't know what it was, but it's supposed to be yellow when this is decked out. So if you go back to the first video, you understand what I'm talking about right now. But yeah.
Is
Same
it
shades?
Oakley's? What is it? Prism?
Nah, bro, the Amazon brand, bro.
Really? They look like my mom.
They're the off-brand ones, bro.
They go hard.
$25, bro, Amazon.
I spent like $150.
Yeah, it's because I use them for detailing, bro. They always get stained with garbage and ripped through, so I don't want expensive ones. And they look legit, huh? From far you can't tell.
It makes a difference, huh? Especially when you're washing white cars.
Yeah, when you're like foaming up cars, whoo, or polishing white cars, dude, that hurts, bro.
You're like the tires all black, and then you start rinsing.
Yeah, that flies out. So this is the new product they came up with, the wet detailer. Look at this, like 3 different colors. You see that? Ah, it turns purple. Look at that.
And I don't ride much anymore. I can ride track.
Damn, that smells good. It smells crazy good. Hey guys, you guys need to come down to Dylan's Auto Detail Supply right here in Beaumont, California. They have all the Shine Supply stuff, dude. This brand, once you go Shine Supply, you're not going back. Trust me. Trust me. So we're out here, and you can't forget the energy drink. You know me, Ghost. It's a go-to. Stay awake, stay locked in. Right. Ghost needs to sponsor me. Right. Yo, con usted. Siempre estoy con usted, casi.
No, so it'd be just like HI.
You detail too or what? Because I have a problem. I think you can help me out. Because I don't like coming to San Jacinto or Hemet because it's out the way, like completely out the way. And then, but I do get jobs down there, and I turn them down sometimes. But what if I just pass them to you? You knock them out for me? There's the fancy stuff. I haven't used this one yet. Huh? It's marine, dude.
I have used the ring.
Everyone gets my last name wrong. Servants. All right, I'm gonna give you advice right now. It's too long. Like Servants Auto Detailing. Because then, like you said, people get confused. So, like if I'm a customer and you say Servants Auto Detailing, I'm like, serve it, and then I can't spell it, and then you have to spell it for me. And for me, it's just Gueros Mobile Detailing. We're straight Guero. nothing crazy, or how some people say OC shine, auto detailing, or fatties or Franks. It's straightforward. So for me, I put Gueros, mobile car wash. See, I went crazy because I had all the space, right? But
you were able to.
yeah, originally it's just Gueros mobile detailing. Right? I could just put Gueros detailing.
Yeah.
Same thing. Straightforward.
Okay.
Like the auto part, you can for sure take it off, right? You should put mobile instead of auto, so people know you can move around.
Yeah. Okay.
That'd be better.
I think well the page is really new, as you saw. So
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna make a hella updates.
Yeah, you could change it while you're still new.
Yeah.
You don't want to get all the way up to people know you, and then you want to change it. Then people get confused.
Yeah.
In your early stages, you can mess with it a lot.
How long did it take you to get the van?
So I was in a truck for 2 years. Right.
years, okay.
Right. I barely got the van. I don't have a year with it yet.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was off a little Tacoma.
I'm
like-
off of Ridgeline right now.
Oh, there you go. Like that one, but the Tacoma, not the Tundra.
Yeah.
A little small Tacoma. I had everything in there for 2 years, and then I got the van May last year. So I put the setup in it first, and then I got it wrapped not that long ago either. 3 months ago probably.
Did you put the setup in yourself, or where'd you go?
No, I got it H2O. I could probably go to Blue Shine or something. This is another company that does setups, but it's pretty dope shit.
There's Revive too that I heard of, and they're not too bad, but
Revive? I never heard of them. Or Pro Choice.
Pro Choice.
They're also good. All right, so again, thanks to Dylan for having us out here in this event. We're in the city of Beaumont, California. This is a shop. So if you guys are ever buying Beaumont, stop on by. Great products. And yeah.
Thank you, Guero. Thank you.
All right, dude. Of course, anytime.
He's doing big things. Follow him, man. He's putting content out for you guys.
Hey, we're gonna get out there.
Thank you,
right?
Guero.
We're gonna make it. All right. All right, guys, we're back and we're at our last stop for the day. Well, our only detail for today. We're gonna be taking care of this Mercedes SUV. We're gonna be doing a mini detail. So basically, your standard interior vacuum wipe down, scrub the interior and exterior rims, tires, wash it down, have it looking real nice. All right, so stay tuned and we're gonna knock it out. All right. And for today, we actually bought Cruise. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about Cruise, especially for like Mercedes, Beamers, those high-end matte finished vehicles. You don't want to like stain them with other interior cleaners because I've experienced that a lot. So we're gonna try out Cruise today. If I can find my gloves, here we go. And yeah, we'll see how good it does. See if I recommend it to you guys. All right, so we're gonna use our new Shine Supply bottle to pour in our Cruise. So open it up, this one up. Got our funnel. We don't want to make a mess. And then just straight up. Boom. Just like that. Good to go. Woo! I used to talk about how to get into the little cracks and crevices of the steering wheel. So, just spray your cleaner on your little brush and just agitate all around little buttons and stuff. Just this little dust that hides in there, all around, right? Wipe off the excess. If the little buttons that you can't reach, turn it over. Done, just like that. Just wipe it clean. And we're good. But yeah, I would get a shop. Just eventually, I just need to figure out where the shop's gonna be, what city, what am I gonna do there, how am I gonna keep my mobile going, right? So it's a lot of things that go into it. Because I'm located here in the IE, and that's mainly where my work is at. Not necessarily Orange County or anything like that, so I don't think I'd be going over there. But then I have to find a good spot in the IE, and if you guys live in the IE, that's kind of weird, kind of hard to find a good spot in the IE. It's all very random. I don't know, eventually, right? Eventually. So what we're doing for this car right here is not that dirty. You can see my rag, it's like not even, it's fairly clean. So we're just using Cruise from Shine Supply all around. To give it that nice little clean. Because with these fancy mats, yeah, it's possible. And again, with those Mercedes, Beamers, new Corvettes, like fancy mats, you know what I'm talking about when you get a fancy mat. They look fancy, they feel good. Like the fibers on them really really fine. You can do everything to them. I'm really liking this stuff. It smells good. And it cleans good too. Let me know if you guys have ever tried Chanticleer Cruise. First day, first car. It's pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, it smells really good. I didn't dilute it though, so I don't know if I'm supposed to dilute it. We'll figure that out later. All right, so after I vacuum the entire interior, I like to go crazy on these little mats just to give it like a little extra detail. So if you guys don't know, you spray it with a little bit of cleaner, and then with this little fancy tool here, you can make some stripes, or we can make circles or triangles. There's no need to be doing this, just for like a extra detail, just for the customer to be like, oh wow, looks super awesome. And to be honest, I like the way it looks. That is crazy. There you go. Just don't get confused on the lines. Just like this. Boom, look at that. Clean, striped floor mat. Boom. So there's a little extra touch I like to use sometimes for the trims to restore them. Just light mist, get it all over it. Don't worry if it gets on the paint, it's completely fine. Just wipe it off later. Make sure you get the entire thing. Again, our client didn't book for this for trim restoration, but I don't know. You gotta go above and beyond sometimes. It's just gonna cost you, like, you know, extra time, a little bit of money, but it's okay. They remember that. Boom. I challenge you guys to let me know what this is right here. I call it pink stuff, the secret pink stuff. We don't hit the rim around here. Veterans. Look at this. It's the rim, man. There you go. Boom. I challenge you guys to guess what tire shine I'm using. Right there. It's blue. It's dark blue. All right, guys, so we just got wrapped up with a mini detail on this Mercedes SUV. Just to recap, we did the inside, vacuumed it, wiped it down, did the glass, moved to the outside, wheels, tires, washed it, dried it. You know, we restored the trims, you know, at our expense. You know, like to hook up our clients here and there. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know for any video ideas. I'll be open for suggestions. I'll reply to you guys in the comments. All right, guys, and just to recap, our Bible verse of today, based off what I've heard today, been through today, and, you know, based off today, there's going to be Proverbs 14:23, basically saying all hard work brings a profit, but mere talk leads to poverty. Meaning what? So mere talk, so let's say a lot of people often talk about, or I hear that people say, oh, I'm going to do this and this and that with my business, but, you know, they never put action and actually do it, right? So at the end of the day, they stay the same, they don't achieve their goals, and they complain about, oh, I don't have time, I don't have this, I don't have that, whatever, right? So what you need to do is put your head down, focus, put all things on God first, and then, you know, it's hard work, keep your head down, don't listen to haters, people are just gonna have something to say about you. You know, hard work brings a profit, and at the end of the day, we put our trust in God, and things will come to us, and then you'll see your profits of your hard work in this season, but the next season, right? So plant your seeds now, harvest later, and that's all I got for you guys. Thanks again. I'll catch you guys later, all right? Later.